Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and welcome to my 6 healthy habits for weight loss show. So this is week 6, so we're on the final healthy habit. I hope you stuck with me from the start. If you're just joining me at this point, maybe go back and watch all the other videos with the habits 1 to 5 so far, and the 6th healthy habit is meal prepping for the week. This is such an important healthy habit to adopt and to start doing, because when you prepare the foods, when you have foods there ready, you'll be less likely to grab some junk food, have a takeaway, get some unhealthy foods. If you prepare your meals ahead of time, you'll know you have these healthy meals in your fridge and you can go and get them easily and quickly, either for lunches or dinners. So and on my channel on Saturdays I do meal prep for weight loss show. So I am meal prepping every week and showing what I'm meal prepping. I normally cook 2 or 3 dishes. I show you 2 new recipes, maybe 2 other 1 or 2 other dishes I also prepare from our staples or what I've shared previous weeks, maybe a nice snack or something, and then I share with you what kind of meals I will be making from these through the week. And sometimes I cook just so there's 2 ways of meal prepping. So there's a meal prep where you cook whole complete meals, so I do some of that as well, but I also do another method where you just prepare ingredients for your meals. So whether you peel and chop some veggies, whether you cook some grains, so your rice or quinoas, cook some beans, so you have your separate ingredients there ready to make to put a meal together quicker. I do both of these, so I maybe cook a couple of dishes and then I have ingredients like grains or rices and pulses, different bits like that I then also use to make other dishes. So if you want some inspiration and some ideas of meal prepping for this 6 healthy habit, then follow me on Saturdays. I have a show every Saturday here, and if you're new here, subscribe for more videos just like this. On Wednesdays I also do healthy veganized snacks, because I believe that you need to stick to 80-20 rule, where 80% is healthy whole foods as much as you can, and then 20% could be your snacks and treats, right? But we also want them healthier, not deep fried oily kind of stuff, but at least healthier versions of these naughty snacks. So on Wednesdays I try to do that mostly, and then on Saturdays I do the meal prep for the week, so join me for that. And then it's just because it's the last episode of the healthy weight loss habits, I'm gonna recap the whole 6 habits for you. So the first one was hydration. So drinking at least half a liter of water first thing in the morning. Second, cooking without oil, okay, so removing oil from your kitchen entirely. Third, having a salad or a soup with every meal or before every meal. Then snacks, replacing your unhealthy snacks with healthier snack options. Then mindful eating, where you eat slower, you eat more mindfully, you enjoy food more. And then the 6th one, meal prepping, so preparing the foods ready for you to have to eat through the week. So not only it helps you to stay on track for weight loss, but also it saves you time in the kitchen through the week as well. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, if you like this series. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.